Here we are. We have our cast on for our learning or teaching sock knitting project. If you have never knitted socks and you're just learning, you can follow this along to make your own little learning or teaching sock, which you can later use to help you figure out the steps on more complicated patterns. Or if you're already working on a project and you just want to revisit some skills, you can do that as well. This example, we are starting from the cast on being at the cuff and we're working down. We'll make another example starting at the toes, but right now we are at the cuff. This is the cast on edge right here. Now we will pull one needle out and we will start knitting our rib, one knit, one purl. Remember, count the stitches: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We will distribute them onto 4 needles, which means 6 on each needle. 1 knit, 2 purl, 3 knit, 4 purl, 5 knit, 6 purl. That's our first needle. Needle number 2. 6 more. 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 2 purl, 3 knit, 4 purl, 5 knit, 6 purl. That's our second needle. Needle number 3, 6 more. 1 knit, 2 purl, 3 knit, 4 purl, 5 knit, 6 purl. And needle number 4, the last 6. 1 knit, 1 purl. Now you're ready to close the round. See how they tend to twist and twirl? We can't have that when we close the round. So we need to lay the things flat, especially if you're just beginning, and see where the edge is so that it's all on the same side and nothing is twisted and turned. The yarn comes from right to left. We go to the next needle, which is needle number 1, and we start knitting and purling, keeping our rib pattern as we close the round. Knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl. You might not be sure about knit and purl stitches. You might be very experienced, but if you're needing a review of knit and purl stitches, here it is. For knit stitches, our yarn is behind the work. We knit from front grab the yarn, pull it through. For purl, the yarn comes in front of the work. We come from the back, grab the yarn in the front and pull it through to the back. Now we continue all the way around. We will do, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rounds. This yarn is much thicker. Let's do 4 rounds. This is round number 2. The first one was our foundation row. We closed it and we started this second one. Then you will do 2 more on your own. Once you have your 4 rounds, go to the next video and we will transition to knitting the leg part of the sock.